Well, this is video 2 about custom pages. In the last video, we talked about the layout and just basically what it meant to have a row and what a column meant. And now we're going to come up to the plus symbol and we're going to click on modules. Modules are very simply things that we can put into the design of our website. What do I mean by things? Let's look at this right here. A photo, for instance, I click on photo, I drag it, I drop it, and then it gives me a box to pick which photo I want to use. So photo, where is it coming from? Photo source is my media library. You can also pull from a URL, which is somewhere on the web. I'm going to keep it at media library. I'm going to hit select photo, and I have my photos that I've used for other things. Or I can upload. When we upload files, and we have a few things to choose from. I'm going to choose that one right there. And then as soon as that's done loading, it will ask me if I want to put it in there and select photo. And then you can see that that is there, and I hit save. And now that item is inside of that column within that row. So very simply, modules again are things that can be put into the columns. This is a text editor. And you can see that it comes up for me down there. So I encourage you to add them, mess with them, try and figure out what works for you. Please notice that the group, the one I've been using, is standard modules. There is also advanced modules.